Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create and apply clip art to furniture in Heartopia. So, sometimes you will get this special quest to apply clip art to your furniture. And when you get this quest, you must do this activity. But in here, I can't show the quest in here since I already complete this quest. So in here, I will go straight to the process so you can follow along easily. First, make sure you have a drawing board that looks like this. This one, drawing board. And if you don't have one yet, you can just buy it from the NPC Ka Ching. Buy this NPC. This NPC, you can just buy it from her. And then once you have it, just interact with this drawing board. For example, I want to place it like this, and then just interact with it. Just tap on the brush icon, and then in here you can choose furniture that you want to apply the clip art. For example, I want to use this joinery table, this one. Then just tap on start painting like this, and then in here you can create your own designs. You can freely draw using the pen tool, this one, or use the bucket, and or maybe you can use the shapes, or even you can use the sticker over here. For example, in here I want to painting with sticker like this, and then in here maybe I want to use this sticker, and then in here you can use the color on here. For example, in here I want to use this one, and then I want to use like this, for example. And then in here you can also choose the surface that you want to paint on here. In here, just have one surface at the tabletop like this. So I just can painting on this tabletop, and then after you satisfied with your design, just save it like this, and then just go back, and then next just go to your workbench, this one, and then just tap on craft, and then next just choose the furniture that you just designed. Before I designed for joinery table, this one, and then just complete all the materials, and then just tap on craft, and then next just tap on this brush, and then in here just use this table, and then just tap on start dyeing like this, and then just choose your designs that you already create like this before, and then just tap on confirm like this, and just like that you will successfully apply the clip art to your furniture, and after that your class will be complete. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.